How to use Walgreens Health Dashboard feature. To use the Walgreens Health Dashboard feature, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the Walgreens application on your device. Or you can also head to the official website using any web browser of your choice. From there, log into your account, then tap on your account icon in the upper corner of the screen. From there, you simply have to select the Health Dashboard. Now, set up and monitor the prescription tracks. View a full running list of current, past, and pending prescriptions linked to your identity. From there, tap the pill reminder inside the dashboard to schedule customized daily push notifications on your phone telling you exactly when to take your specific doses. You can also enable the auto refill option from there. Now you simply have to link the wellness tracker and on rewards. And you can also access the telehealth and care clinics. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.